Happy New Year, everyone. So we're just about to, or we just begun the beginning of the new year. And in the architecture and construction industry, this is a very, very important part of the year because it's starting up the different sections of construction and so on that need to be started. And more specifically, the design process and building permit processes and so on. These are things that are thought about a lot at this time of year, and most notably because when people wanting to build a custom home or add on an extension to their existing home, this time of year where they're really trying to focus in on their thoughts and get the details they need to getting it going. And I can't stress this enough. I've talked about it in the previous episodes and so on, is to, how to get started and whatnot. Basically, I'm going to say it again. The most basic way of doing that is just taking a piece of paper with a ruler and pencil and sitting down and jotting out what you want. Measure out with a measuring tape the areas that you're currently living in, or that you're currently, and also areas that you would like to add in, because understanding the space differences and so on is a really, really important part of the process. You can always go, if you have an area that's clear of snow this time of year, or you can find a place that's clear of snow outside. Again, I suggest always using some lines, with boards and whatnot, with lumber, if you have it, or even string lines, and figure out what you really want, and then put it in the design. Jot it down, mix it up a little bit, so you really want to see what you have coming. And then, most importantly, is get started. I can't say that enough, and I know it seems so obvious, but people will procrastinate and they'll hem and haw and doubt. And when really what they need to do is just hit the send button, make the decision to decide to start and get started. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit in your deciding factors right now. And best of luck and happy living.